How to manage iPhone files. The Manage feature of Tenorshare iCareFone aims to help iOS users easily manage files. Follow this guide to learn more about how to export your iPhone files in clicks. Download and install Tenorshare iCareFone on your PC or Mac. Then connect your device to the computer. Launch iCareFone. Select Manage. You can export images from your iPhone using iCareFone. Select the images you want to export. You can change the format of the exported images and the save location. When you are finished, click Next. You can export images in PDF or JPG format. Now your device photos are being exported to your computer. You can also import photos from external to your device. Just select Import from the bottom menu. This will require the iCareFone app. Follow the prompts to open it on your phone. The photos will then be imported to your iPhone. iCareFone can detect duplicate photos on your device without iOS version restrictions. Select Duplicates from the left column. Now you will see all your duplicate photos. You can delete these duplicate photos with just one click. This also requires the use of the app. On an iPhone, simply click Delete. You can also hide photos directly using iCareFone. Select the photo you want to hide and right-click on it. Then select Hide from the drop-down menu. This photo has now been hidden. Check on your iPhone, and you can see that it is indeed in the hidden album. You can also use iCareFone to import or export music, podcasts, ringtones, audiobooks, movies, TV shows, and more. Take music as an example. Select local music files on your phone. Click Export. The music will be exported to your computer. You can also use the computer to create new playlists on your phone. Import music files from your computer to your iPhone. This process is very fast. Select My Apps in the menu on the left. This page will list every installed app on your smartphone. By selecting those apps and selecting Uninstall, you can remove them. To view the most recent updates to the apps, you can simply choose Available Updates. You can also download other apps that cannot be installed from the App Store. This requires signing in with the Apple ID that downloaded the app. iCareFone makes it easy to access iPhone files on your PC or Mac without any complicated steps. From the left menu, select the File Manager icon. You'll see a list of all the files on your iPhone here. The files can be exported, imported, or renamed. You may even make a new folder. Whether you're switching devices, saving storage, or just want more control, iCareFone makes iPhone file management effortless. Download iCareFone and take the stress out of iPhone data management.